are you having problems getting your bank account? Say you applied at a bank and for some reason you're getting denied, or maybe you owe money to a bank and that's the reason why you're getting denied and you want to know how you can remove that from your credit reports. Definitely stick around. I'm going to tell you how you can get that removed from your credit report. So if this is your first time watching my video, my name is Rickita. Hey, beautiful people. Hey, beautiful people. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your negative accounts from your credit report, which is crazy. I know you're like, wait, what? That may be the reason why you can't get a bank account. Maybe you're applying for a bank account and maybe you owe a few other banks, and now the bank that you're applying to know that you owe those banks and they don't want to give you a bank account. That's probably the main reason why you're not able to get a bank account. So if this problem's the problem that you have, then what you need to do is you need to remove the negative, I would say like negative accounts. I guess you can call it an account. You need to remove the negative accounts from your Chexsystems account. So Chexsystem is, think about like the credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Chexsystem is the company, the bureau that actually keeps track of your banking history. So maybe if you owe an account, that's where all the information would go. So if you owe an account, I'm going to pop up an example here, then you will see that on your Chexsystem report. Now, you can get this information removed just like with the main 3 credit bureaus. I teach you guys how to remove items that's negative or accounts that's negative from your credit reports. And if you haven't heard about it or don't know anything about that, definitely check out my other videos. And I have some dispute letters below, or you can join my exclusive membership. You can get all of the letters included within your membership. But with the Chexsystems, you just have to send in a letter to Chexsystems, or you could dispute online. But you could send in a letter to Chexsystems, which is the way I would suggest you guys do it. Send in a letter with the negative accounts on there, and then you should see your results in about 30 days, whether they're going to delete the accounts or not. Now, this is the same thing with the credit bureaus. You have to first get your Chexsystem report to see what's on your Chexsystem report. So you can actually go ahead and get that online, and it's instant. They can give it to you right then and there. But make sure you download it. I made a mistake of getting my Chexsystem report, and I didn't download it. So, I had problems with trying to get a copy of it. So make sure that you download that report as soon as you get it. But after this, after this part, I'm going to show you how to do it. So stick around for that. I'm going to do it step by step with you guys and show you how to do it. But go ahead and get your report, download it. Now you will see all of the negative items, the negative accounts that's on your Chexsystem report that you're going to need to remove. I also want you guys to try to remove any additional personal information that's on there. But after you find out the accounts that you want to remove, you also find the personal information that you want to remove. Say if you have too much, make sure you add that onto your dispute letter. So if you guys want a copy of a dispute letter, I have it down below. It's for free for my people that's in my exclusive membership. This is something that you guys are going to get for free, which is how to dispute items on Chexsystems. So make sure you guys think about joining my exclusive membership, because you're going to get so many different things there that's free. Every month you're going to see, wow, we get so much free stuff here. So definitely look into joining my exclusive membership. You will see that down below. But I'll have my dispute letter there for you guys. All you have to do is just fill it in, and you'll see like the areas you have to fill in with your first name, last name, your address, social security number, your date of birth, and then I want you to list the accounts that you want to get removed. And then I have other language there. Just keep it there. You'll see it at the bottom, but I'll have the first part of the example here so you can actually fill it in here. So fill in all your personal information. List your accounts down at the bottom, and I'll show you guys inside the exclusive membership. When you go there, when you get the form, I'm going to actually do it like literally step by step with you guys and not just have an example here. But since you guys know where to get the letter at, since you guys know the process that you have to get your reports, let's go ahead and do that together. Let's go ahead and get your reports. So we'll get your reports, and then you can join the exclusive membership, or you can just get the letters down below and get a video to show you how to actually do it. So if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know, but let's go ahead and get your reports. Okay, beautiful people. So let's go ahead and get your reports. So we're on the Chexsystems website. All you have to do is click right here where it says request your report. And after you click request your report, you have to read the terms and conditions. So you have to say whether or not you agree or disagree. So I agree. Have you been denied for a bank account in the past 60 days? Let's just say yes there. If you guys been denied, say yes. If no, just put no, but you're allowed to have a copy of this report once a year, so don't get too scared. You may submit a request using the website. Now, let's go ahead and put the delivery method online, because that's basically what they mean, how you want to get this delivered. Let's put online. Make sure that you're 18 years older. Are you 18 and older? Yes. And then now that we filled that part out, let's go to the bottom and let's put our name here. We have to put our first, last name. If you want to put your middle name, you can put that in. Any previous last names, put that in. Your date of birth. Social security number, then you'll verify your social security number. You can put your driver's license ID in, but it's not required. I will put that in because you don't know what's attached to anything. You know, you don't know what's attached to that driver's license number. Maybe something is attached to the driver's license number that didn't pop up if you didn't put it in. So I would suggest you guys put that in. Go ahead and put your email address in. Put your address here. So your address, city, state, zip code, your phone number. If you have like a previous address, say if you live somewhere else very recently, so like in the last year, up to like 5 years, go ahead and put that information here. Your previous address is here. And then I want you to put this security code here. So let me go ahead and put that here now. And after you put all the information in, you want to click submit. So let me go ahead and put all this information in, and then I'll be back. So they gave me some security questions here, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and answer these security questions. I kind of got it blocked out because I don't want you guys seeing it. So I just want to go ahead and get these questions answered. So now they generated the report. So the report is about to pop up, you guys. All you have to do is answer those security questions, and then your report is going to pop up. Okay, so now I showed you how to get your report from Chexsystems. So now you have your actual report. Now I want you to find all of the negative accounts that you want to get removed, all of the personal information that you want to get removed, and I want you to put it on your dispute letter. So if you guys are part of my exclusive membership is for those people where they need to fix their credit. So you guys will have access to my free dispute letters. If you want me to send out dispute letters, I can do that also for free. You guys will also have access to a list of over 100 credit cards, and I'm going to teach you guys all about credit. And I'm going to have more videos on shopping cart tricks or things like that. But definitely join my exclusive membership, because you're going to actually get my dispute letter in there for free. If you're not a part of the exclusive membership, you kind of don't want to join. You're like, no, Rickita, just hit me my Chexsystems. That's all I got. Just need my Chexsystems done. If you only need help with your Chexsystems, go ahead and look down below, because I have a link where you can click that link and I'll be able to help you with your Chexsystems. You'll be able to get the same dispute letters that everybody that's inside the exclusive membership will actually get. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, and look out for my new channels that's coming out. Look out for my new channels and make sure you guys subscribe. And see you guys later. Bye-bye.